And hello there, Plano fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is a 30 minutes mission. Sorry, it's a 30 minutes fantasy. We have the Rosen Fighter. Yes, so last time I unboxed the Rosen Warrior, wherein it, sorry, not the Rosen Warrior, the Liber Warrior, wherein it's a Liber Fighter with the Warrior class up armor. But now we have here is the Rosen Fighter, which is just the Rosen silhouette with the fighter armor. So as what you can see in the box art, we see the Rosen Fighter here. Saan call it? Is this like the Rosen Flag? I'm not sure. I never saw the plain liver whatsoever. Anyways, on to the side, you see here the contents. Yes, you have the silhouette here, the job change into the fighter, and of course you have options here to job change him into a higher rank, which is either the warrior or the Viking. And off to the other side, yes, some information about the Rosan fighter and information about the 30 minutes fantasy. So opening up and seeing what's inside the box. All right, see one bag with again the same sprues or the same parts as the liver fighter. Yep. Only this time, instead of white, it's a darker color. And then we have here parts for the Rosen fighter. Same thing, only just darker color. Yeah. And of course, we have here the instruction manual of the Rosen fighter with the earth element, as you can see here. So let's see and take a look individually at the sprues. So first up, what we have here is the A sprue. Now again, same with the liver fighter. Same sprues except different colors. So this time it's like a darker gray and brown, as well as orange for the earth element. We have the B sprue, again same as the liver fighter, but different colors only, grays and blacks. So we have a C here, same same reasoning. We also have the D1 here. We have the D2. We have E1 and the E. It also has an F2 on this one and an F3, which is for the eyes. Of course, now moving forward, this will be all the parts for the like the fighter armor, the job change. Yeah, so this is for the fighter. We have the G1, also a G1 here, which is I think for duplicate parts, and lastly the G2. So yeah, just like you saw, it's just the same as the liver fighter, only different colors. But wait, I'm not just going to unbox the Rosen Fighter, but I also bought the Rosan Viking class up armor. Yes. So this is a sort of a double unboxing video. So anyways, let's see. Yep, we have the Rosan Viking here. So the armor is being displayed here. So from the Rosen Fighter, you can make it into a Rosan Viking. And yeah, there we go. Where's that part to open this? It's here. I know it's here. It's that's hard. There we go. It's now open. So unlike Liber, where they have those boxes of releases, the Liber Holy Knight, the Liber Warrior, and then now the Liber Bishop, Rosen has separate two separate packages. I'm not sure what's the deal with that. Anyways, okay, opening up the Rosan Viking here. So yeah, this is actually both the cover and as well as the instruction manual here. Okay, now we have it that out of the way. We have here the Job Class 1 or the A1 portion for the Rosan Viking with a dark purple bluish color. And we have the A2, which is the other parts of the armor and for the shield. And lastly, we have the B, which is for the other parts like the mask, the skirt, and the shoulders. And there you have it, Blamo fans and folks. That was what's inside the packages of the Rosen Fighter and the class of armor Rosan Viking. Yes, so some challenge for the Liber Warrior. And this is Mixon saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, liking them, subscribing, hitting the notification. And until next time, see you and thank you.